What is up guys, it's Fabian from the Jansen Journal and we have just arrived in Liechtenstein. So this is actually my second time in Liechtenstein. Liechtenstein is a small country between Switzerland and Austria. And right now we are going to climb this mountain. It's called the Drei Sisters, Drei Schwestern. And I actually want to do this in 2023, but there was too much snow so I couldn't go up. So together with my brother and my dad we are going to climb this one right now. We got a lot of stuff with us, a lot of water. Let's go.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So just like 2 years ago, you first have to go through the woods until you come to the summit of the mountain. From there you have nice views over Liechtenstein. Okay, so it's really steep. As you can see, this is the path that I'm following and it goes in there, but you can also walk on this path. It's easier, it's longer, but it's way less steep than this path. Right now we are going to a cabin which is on top of the mountain, and from there we're going to chill, and then we're going to walk further on top of the mountain to the Drei Sisters mountain. Really excited for it. Compared to the Netherlands, again back in 2023, I was also like broken after a few hours because the Netherlands is totally flat. Right here is like gigantic hills. Over there you can see one of the cities, but still a long way to go up. So we finally came out the third forest. Right there is the hut, the cabin, and then we have to go up there somewhere in the sky. At the moment, but I really liked it. We just made it to the cabin. Still 1.5 hour left, and then we have to go back, or I go to the other place where I went 2 years ago, which then is 4.5 hours. So we just made it to the border, the Stadtgrenze. On the left side Liechtenstein, on the right side Austria. So right now we are on a height of 1955 meters, and the Drei Schwestern somewhere up there. So still a long height to go. Take a look at this beautiful view over here. Right now on one of the summits, and it's still a few meters that way to the Drei Sisters. I think this is also one of the highest points, as you can see, but it is really misty up here, so I'm not sure. Just entered the base summit right now, so now it gets more sketchier, deep drops. We will see how far we get. last one standing of the family. And I get that because an easy hike without any risk. So my dad is somewhere down there, he's waiting for me. I still think I have to walk 15 to 20 minutes to the Three Sisters and then all the way back. So it's a long hike to go. So we finally made it after 2 years. I made it to the Three Sisters. Happy I did. It's too bad that there was so much mist around, so I can't fly my drone because you won't see anything, and the chance that it will crash is pretty high. So this is one of the Three Sisters. If you walk that way, you walk all the way to Gavlai. You can't even see it. And if you walk that way, you walk back. So our car is on that side. So I will walk that way, meet up with my dad and my brother. And then a great adventure. Just made it to the Three Sisters over there. Right now I have to walk back. Pretty sketchy, as you can see, gigantic drops downwards. And then somewhere down I will meet my father and brother. But first we have to make sure that we get safe back to base. So I'm now walking back towards the border. It's pretty sketchy over here. Going upwards the same route was pretty simple, but right now it feels like every rock is like slippery. Then when I'm at the border, my dad and my brother are there. I believe it's still like maybe 20 minutes walking. Pretty long walks, to be honest. Maybe the hardest one I did, maybe compared to Angel's Landing. Yeah, happy. And when we are at the border, we still have to walk like over 3 hours, maybe 2.5 hours. But yeah, time for a big schnitzel when we are back in town. Thanks so much for watching the video. If you want to follow me around the world, please make sure you subscribe and also give it a thumbs up because it motivates me to make more videos.